Tell me more about Happy Feet.
It was just a coarse builder's sand, and we just kept that wet. And then I just used my little fingers just on the end. That's just the little flippers going around. But the actual penguins also have little nails on them. So then I've got these little cotton gloves where, you know, the little hair grabby things that kind of...
Yeah.
So I just buy a heap of those and I cut all the prongs off them and then sticky tape those to the end of the cotton gloves.
John, all you need to do is just get some super glue and glue them to your fingers like I do. Don't be a wuss, John. I thought you were committed to your industry. Jeez.
Catch Concealed with Arts Alone on the free iHeart app.